Welcome to Education Admirers. Do subscribe my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Hello, good morning students. Welcome to our next class of geography.
This topic is conventional signs and symbols. I know many of you are knowing what are conventional signs and symbols, as this was the topic you had studied in your previous classes. But still today we are going to discuss the same topic in detail. So let us see what is the definition of conventional signs and symbols. These are standard signs and symbols. Why the word is written standard signs and symbols? Because it is accepted internationally by all. It will be same for all types of map. It's not that it will be different for our country, conventional symbol of our country on our maps or anything will be different from other countries' map. It will be same for all. That means the information which it gives will be clear for the user of the map. It will be easy for the user of the map to understand what these symbols are trying to indicate. Now, these are standard signs and symbols that are internationally accepted, what I said just now, to depict features. What does it indicate? What type of features it indicate? It indicates features and characteristics. All means like man-made features and natural features. Under natural features you will get like mountain, rivers, lakes and so on. And then in natural features you will get this one, mountain, rivers, lakes, and then highlands, plateaus, all these. And then in man-made features you will get buildings, post offices and all those things which are made by man, which are not natural. Our second point says that it gives us lot of information in a limited space. Since you know our map is on a sheet of paper and the space on the map is very limited. So you have to use the words, you have to use signs and symbols, and you have to, from that simple signs and symbol, you have to say so many things to the user of the map. You have to give all the correct information to the user of the map. So it will tell you very correct information. The information will be in detail also, and you are using very small signs and symbols to give lot of information, in concise manner. Concise means when you want to say so many things in few simple words. Now next is a variety of features, both natural and man-made, can be depicted on the map. Just now I have revised, or I have explained you this topic under characteristics and features. Again I will revise, or again I will tell you. Natural features means all those things which are present on the mother earth, which are natural, like mountains, rivers, lake, plateaus, highland, small marine ecolife and marine system, and then you can say forest life, everything which is natural, that is natural features. And then man-made will be like buildings and all, everything, huts, settlements of human beings. So all this will come under man-made features. Now next is word is used, one word related to conventional signs and symbols. In a map you represent conventional signs and symbols in the form of legend. Now what is legend? If you would have seen a map, at the bottom boxes are made where you color or write the thing and tell that this symbol is for this particular purpose, or this symbol is indicating this particular information. So let us see what is the definition of legend. List of relevant conventional signs is given and at the bottom of the map. List of all the conventional signs means whatever you have used in that map. So many conventional signs and symbols are there, but you do not use all together single map. Whatever you want to show, suppose 10 conventional symbol sign, few 2-3 conventional symbol signs you have used, so little bit maybe if you are using, you mention those conventional sign on the legend. At the map, there is, at the bottom of the map there is one legend, boxes are made and line is made in front of that, and you write in that this particular sign or this particular color or this particular symbol is for the following purpose. So it is given here, list of relevant conventional sign is given at the bottom of the map to facilitate its proper study. Facilitate means to make the user understand everything in a smooth manner, in a clear manner, so that person is not confused while seeing the map. I have a map over here with me and I'll show you what legend is. What legend is. If you see map, I have one political map over here and see these boxes. This is what I was trying to say. This is legend, and in this legend, in each box you will make the sign or color or the symbol, and here in this space provided you will write your information. You will write the detail which you want to convey, to the user.
I hope you would have understood the topic, and I will be providing you with the glossary of conventional signs and symbols used in survey maps and city guide maps in the form of PDF. Please go through it. Thank you.